Chapter number 4, Introduction to E-commerce. Question number 1. Which of the following is an example for online bookstore? Option A, Amazon. B, IRCTC. C, Gmail. D, Yahoo. And the right answer is option A, Amazon. Second question. Which of the following is newspaper that exists on the internet in digital form? Option A, iNewspaper. Option B, Internet newspaper. C, www newspaper. D, e-newspaper. And the right answer is option D, e-newspaper. Third question. Which of the following is the process of buying and selling products by offering the customer to beat the price? Option A, marketing. B, auction. C, bookshop. D, booking. And the right answer is option B, auction. Question number 4. Which of the following is known as the process of conducting the banking transaction over the internet? Option A, auction. B, bidding. C, net banking. D, www banking. And the right answer is option C, net banking. Question number 5. Which of the following is a feature of traditional commerce? Option A, operates within a certain period of time or during business hours. B, advertising the product is done electronically. C, e-payments systems are used for receiving payment. Option D, customers can browse through products and offers. And the right answer is option A, operates within a certain period of time or during business hours. Question number 6. Which of the following is a feature of e-commerce? Option A, operates within a certain period of time or during business hours. Option B, no sharing of information with competitors. C, location renting or purchasing. D, advertising of the product is done electronically. And the right answer is option D, advertising of the product is done electronically. Question number 7. Which of the following is not an advantage of e-commerce? Option A, lower cost. B, conduct business 24/7 hour. C, security. D, no geographical limitations. And the right answer is option C, security. Question number 8. Which of the following is a disadvantage of e-commerce? Option A, privacy. B, improved customer service. C, speed. D, conduct business 24/7 hour. And the right answer is option A, privacy. Question number 9. Which of the following e-commerce business model refers to business and organizations that sell products or service to consumers over the internet using websites? Option A, business to consumer B2C. B, business to business means B2B. C, consumer to business, it means C2B. Government to business, G2B. And the right answer is option A, business to consumer means के B2C. Question number 10. Which of the following e-commerce business model refers to activities between different business partners? Option A, government to business G2B. B, consumer to business C2B. C, business to business B2B. D, business to consumer B2C. And the right answer is option C, business to business, it means के B2B. Question number 11. Which of the following is a good example of C2C model? Option A. Auction sites. B. E-newspaper. C. Online purchasing. D. Information services. And the right answer is option A. Auction sites. Question number 12. Which of the following e-commerce business model refers to e-commerce activities involving transactions between and among the consumers? Option A. Government to business G2B. B. Consumer to consumer C2C. C. Business to business B2B. D. Business to consumer B2C. And the right answer is option B. Consumer to consumer, it means के C2C. Question number 13. Which of the following e-commerce business model involves reverse auctions where the consumers determine the prices of the products or services? Option A. Consumer to business C2B. Option B. Business to business B2B. C. Consumer to consumer C2C. Option D. Government to business G2B. And the right answer is option A. Consumer to business means के C2B. Sorry. Question number 14. Which of the following e-commerce business model is also a part of e-governance? Option A. Business to business B2B. Option B. Consumer to business C2B. Option C. Consumer to consumer C2C. Option D. Government to citizen, it means के G2C. And the right answer is option D. Government to citizen means के G2C. Question number 15. Which of the following e-commerce business model refers to online non-commercial communication between the government agencies, organizations, and departments with other government agencies, organizations, and departments? Option A. Business to business, it means के B2B. B. Consumer to business, it means के C2B. C. Government to government, it means के G2G. Option D. Consumer to consumer means के C2C. And the right answer is option C. Government to government, it means के G2G. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe our channel.